In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable link sharing option in Google Drive. If you've ever needed to quickly share a file without adding people one by one, link sharing is the fastest way to do it. Instead of inviting specific email addresses, you'll generate a single link that anyone you give it to can open based on the permission you choose. This is perfect for sharing documents in chats, project trackers, or with people outside your organization when you don't want to manage individual access. Start by opening Google Drive in your browser and signing in. Navigate to the file or folder you want to share. Click once to select it. This works the same for docs, sheets, slides, PDFs, and even entire folders. If you're sharing a folder, remember that the permission you set will apply to everything inside that folder, so choose carefully. With the item selected, open the Share dialog. You can do this in two ways. Either click the Share button near the top right of Drive or right-click the file and choose Share from the menu. A window will pop up with two main areas. At the top is where you can add specific people and groups, and at the bottom is the section we need called General Access. Look at General Access. By default, most files are set to Restricted, which means only people you explicitly add can open the file. Click the word Restricted to open the access options. From the menu, choose anyone with the link. This turns on link sharing. Right next to that, you'll see a role selector. Pick the level you want. Viewer lets people see the file. Commenter lets them leave comments where supported. And editor gives full editing rights. If you're unsure, viewer is usually safest. If you're using a work or school account, your admin might limit link sharing to your organization or disable it entirely. If you don't see the option, that's likely why. Once you've chosen anyone with the link and set the appropriate role, click Copy Link. The link is now on your clipboard and ready to paste into an email, chat, or document. Click Done to close the sharing window. A quick tip, if the file is sensitive, consider using viewer access and only send the link to people who truly need it. If you ever need to turn off link sharing, reopen Share, go back to General Access, switch it from anyone with the link to Restricted, and click Done. That immediately disables the old link. And that's it. You've enabled link sharing in Google Drive and copied a shareable link you can use anywhere.